The KX450 Senior is Kawasaki's special racer edition of the already capable KX450. Think of it as the factory race bike experience straight out of the box. Built for those who demand top-tier performance without spending months in the garage upgrading. At its heart, you've got a 449cc liquid-cooled, dog, 4-stroke single, but here's where it gets exciting. Kawasaki worked closely with Pro Circuit to fit a titanium exhaust system that boosts throttle response and mid-range punch. Combined with revised EQ mapping, the Senior delivers sharper acceleration and a power curve tuned for competitive starts and fast corner exits. Handling is where champions are made, and the KX450 Senior is loaded with premium Showa suspension. We're talking about fully adjustable Showa 49mm coil spring forks up front, and a Showa balance-free rear cushion shock at the back. These aren't just fancy names, they're designed for maximum traction and stability over ruts, jumps, and brutal landings. The lightweight aluminum perimeter frame has been fine-tuned for 2025, giving the Senior incredible flexibility while keeping stability at high speeds. It's aggressive, yet forgiving, exactly what you need in a race bike. Kawasaki didn't stop at performance. The KX450 Senior comes with rental handlebars, wide foot pegs, factory-inspired graphics, and premium Brembo brakes for unmatched stopping power. It's all race-focused and no gimmicks, no unnecessary extras. This bike isn't for casual trail riding, it's for serious racers. If you're competing in MX or SX events, or you want to experience the feel of a factory-level machine, the KX450 Senior is your ticket to the podium. The 2025 Kawasaki KX450 Senior blends power, agility, and factory-level parts in a package that's ready to win races right off the showroom floor. Yes, it's a premium machine, and it's built for riders who want nothing less than the best. So, the question is a broken bar, are you ready to race green? Kawasaki's Senior line is all about bringing factory-level machines to the public. The A Senior stands for a special race array, which means you're getting technology, tuning, and components directly inspired by the bikes Kawasaki's pro teams use in AMA Supercross and MXGP. At its core sits a 449cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke single, but this isn't stock KX power. The 2025 Senior features factory EQ mapping, refined fuel injection, and a Pro Circuit titanium exhaust system. What does that mean? Sharper throttle response, stronger mid-range pull, and explosive acceleration out of corners, exactly what you need for hole shots and rhythm sections. Kawasaki went all out with premium Showa components, including 49mm coil spring forks with full adjustability, and a Showa balance-free rear cushion shock. These aren't just for comfort, they keep the bike planted through braking bumps, stable on huge jumps, and responsive when you need to change lines mid-corner. The aluminum perimeter frame has been refined for weight distribution and rigidity, giving the KX450 Senior a precise, balanced feel. Whether you're hammering a set of whoops or scrubbing a triple, the bike reacts instantly to rider input, and no wallowing, no flex issues. You're also getting a list of race-ready upgrades. Rental fat bar 36 handlebars for better ergonomics and reduced vibration. Brembo brakes up front for stronger stopping power with precise feel. Wide foot pegs with aggressive grip for maximum control. Factory-style graphics that make it look like a pro bike right off the showroom floor on track. The KX450 Senior feels aggressive yet incredibly stable. The power delivery is smooth off the bottom but hits hard in the mid, perfect for clearing big gaps without over-revving. The suspension soaks up harsh landings without kicking, and the chassis tracks straight under heavy braking. The 2025 Kawasaki KX450 Senior is more than a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement that you're here to race, here to push limits, and here to win. So, If you're ready to go green and go fast, this is the bike to beat. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the breakdown, subscribe for more in-depth bike reviews, and let me know in the comments say when you take the Senior straight to the track, or build it even further. Until next time, a broken bar, keep the throttle wide open. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel Bike Master.